Jim Locklear has committed 35 years of his career to public gardens as a leader, a teacher, a writer, and a doer. His long and distinguished career includes positions in Kansas, Nebraska, and Illinois. He has been Director of Conservation at Lauritzen Gardens since 2010. Jim has remained committed to studying and safeguarding endemic plants of the Great Plains while educating others about plant conservation and its impact on our fragile ecosystems. Jim is continually expanding the garden's credentials, most recently as a conservation practitioner from BGCI, one of a small group of botanical institutions throughout the world to achieve this designation. Under his direction, Lauritzen became a conservation partner in the Center for Plant Conservation. Jim has contributed to horticulture and conservation through numerous publications. He is an authority on phlox and devoted his first book to the subject. His forthcoming book, In the Country of the Kaw, explores the history and biological diversity of the Kansas River through the lens of Jim's personal relationship with the Kaw waterway. His remarkable versatility and his passion for plant conservation is truly personified in his fieldwork and research. The American Public Gardens Association is proud to present the 2024 Award of Merit to Jim Locklear.